Hi guys, in this video I will show you my beauty empties and these are the products that I have used up. Basically I will show you my trash and I have been collecting for a year now, so I have a lot of things to show you. As always, don't forget to subscribe to get notified for my latest videos, and without further ado, let's get started with the beauty empties. So the first product is a shower gel by Palmolive. This is in Wild Orchid. I love Palmolive products. They leave my skin very smooth and moisturized. Next we have wax strips from Vit. I use them for many years. They get the job done. And next product is a conditioner by Empties. It leaves my hair so smooth. I even prefer this product over professional ones. This is a shampoo by Shauma. It dries my scalp and my hair. I don't like this product at all. And we have shower gel by Dove. I got this one in one of my glossy boxes. It leaves my skin very dry and itchy. I don't like it. And this is a shampoo by Garnier Fructis. I love this. It cleans my hair so good and also it leaves them moisturized somehow. I really like it. After that, we have a nail polish remover by the company P2. It leaves a very weird oily residue around the skin of my nails and I don't like it, so I will not buy it again. And we have again another Palmolive shower gel. I love them. This is one of my most favorite body creams. It is by the company Rituals in Indian Rose and Himalaya Honey. It smells so good. In the value set with the body cream you can also get the salt scrub and it is in sweet almond oil and Indian rose. This smells incredible and it leaves the skin so smooth. You definitely need to try these two products. And again, Palmolive shower gels. I love them, you know. Mouthwash by Listerine. I use it for many years and I have noticed that when I don't use it, my teeth get easier yellowish, so I never skip this step for my teeth. And next we have the Illuminating Hair Care Moroccan Argan and Camellia Oils Extracts Shampoo by Garnier, and also the Repairing Hair Care Honey Treasures, and both of these leave my skin very smooth and they smell amazing. Ultra Hydrating Paper Mask by Yes2 Coconut. It leaves the skin smooth and plump. I will say only one thing about the lip mask. Oh my god! I have done a first impressions video about it. I will link it down below. Moisture Surge Overnight Mask by Clinique. I specifically use this in the winter. It makes my skin more moisturized because I have very dry and sensitive skin. It leaves a residue on the skin, so you need to wash your face in the morning. I love this. It is a harmonizing foaming shower gel in Indian Rose and sweet almond oil. It smells incredible and it leaves the skin so smooth. Cream Care Facial Cleansing Wipes by Nivea. They remove my makeup very easy and I need 2 wipes most of the times. I also combine them with the eye makeup remover by Maybelline for the eyes. After that, I always wash my face with the mild liquid face soap by Clinique. I like this soap very much and it never irritates my skin. Eye cream by Clinique. This is the All About Eyes Reach. I have very dry under eye area and this product moisturizes my skin all day, even in the winter. Next we have a conditioner by Oriflame. It leaves the hair soft and it smells very nice. Custom Repair Moisturizer by Clinique. This has also SPF 15. It is very moisturizing through the day and actually I need to repurchase this one. It is very good. More shampoos by Shauma. Because I didn't get my lesson the first time, so I had to try more scents to see that they all dry my scalp and my hair. Antibacterial wipes by Dettol. I used this a lot of times also to spot clean my brushes when I didn't have time. That's not very good, it dries the brushes, so I don't do it very often. And next we have a dry shampoo by Batiste. It is in Clean and Classic Original. This one doesn't have a scent and I also like that it gives volume to my roots. Oh my god, this is the shower gel from Hell. I got this in one of my glossy boxes and it is so inconvenient to use. It is not foamy and it makes my skin very dry and itchy. Oriflame products never irritate my skin, and this one is another shower gel. Oh, this is my favorite sunscreen face cream. It is by Chorus in yogurt and it is for sensitive skin. I never get sunburned with this product and I have also used it in Cyprus in summer. Toothpaste by Sensodyne. It gives a nice fresh taste to your mouth and deeply cleans the teeth. Don't forget about flossing too. And let's start with the beauty empties. And the first one is the infallible 24-hour matte foundation by L'Oreal, and I have used this one in so many videos. My deodorant by Chorus. This is fragrance free and for sensitive skin. I always smell nice with this one. It is paraben free, alcohol free and hypoallergic. And next we have purifying shampoo by Christoph Robin. It is so good. It costs almost 36 euros for 250 milliliters and it is a little pricey. Instant Anti-Age Effect Concealer by Maybelline. I use this all the time and I have also a new one. Eye Studio Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner in black by Maybelline. This is my favorite gel eyeliner and it is great for beginners. And the next, Falsies Volume Express Mascara by Maybelline. It makes the lashes fuller and it is very easy to build the product on shorter lashes. Liquid Yoga Bath Soak by Mio. It is a little overpriced and nothing special. My Real Technique sponge, it doesn't soak up as much product as other sponges and it gives a very natural finish to the skin. Next we have Lip Balm by EOS. This is in mint. The yellow one is the only one with SPF. I have noticed that in the egg form the formula gets drier after a few days. In the tube it is moisturizing until you use all of it and I prefer it. Fixing Powder by Art Deco Cosmetics. I use it all the time and you can see the product in almost all of my videos. Light Reflecting Concealer by Catrice. It gave a white cast on my under eye area and I didn't really like it. And next product we have Liquid Liner by Catrice. This is so good. It is very easy to use and becomes completely matte. I completely forgot about this eyebrow pencil by Catrice. It is waterproof and gives a very nice natural look to the eyebrows. After that we have Glycolic Acid Toner by Mario Badescu. It deeply cleans the pores and it feels very good on the skin. Pure Vitamin C in 10% by Clinique is very good for the elasticity of my skin. I'm definitely gonna try the full size product. High Coverage Concealer by Catrice has a full coverage but it is also drying my eyes, so I stopped using it. I always prefer men's deodorants over the flowery ones and I was using these by Nivea but they have aluminum so I stopped using them. I haven't showed you a shower gel for a while now. This one is by Yves Rocher and smells very nice. If you have sensitive skin, this sunscreen face cream will really suit you. I was even using it when my skin was very irritated. Anti-Stress Moisturizing Cream by Lancome is so good and smells like roses. It makes my skin very smooth and I will test it again. This Lavera eye cream didn't provide me the moisture that I needed, but I still used all of it. Some more product empties by Clinique. I use their products all the time. What is your favorite skincare product for your eyes? I always try to find new face products. So that completes this video. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!